today is February 17th, and what are we doing again today?
You're opening!
Yep, we're counting down still to your birthday.
Yeah, I can't wait for my birthday. And here are
Fine.
we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Awesome. All right, which package are you, window you're going to open from? 1, 2, or 3 there? Which row? All righty. Okay, which window?
This one.
Which one?
This one.
That one? Okay, let's go.
Oh my god, you're gonna get it. Oh my god, who did we get? Oh my god, you have to check who we got.
Who did you get?
I don't know, but he's amazing. His hat is almost like this one.
Ooh, show your Pacers who it is. Interesting.
Where is he from?
Can I see him?
Nope.
Oh, where's he from? Can we find him on here? He's from Colorado.
I believe you want to go there, right?
That's a lot of mountains and a lot of skiing and snowboarding in that area. Awesome.
Let's open the bottle.
All right, yep. So you're allowed to open one more today. So let's go.
Oh my god, this one's like a fireman.
Like a fireman. Open him up. Ooh. Show it to your Pacers.
Yeah, I believe he's a fireman.
He's a little fireman. All right, can I see him? Look at him. Ryan the fireman. Where is he?
What does he read?
Where does he go, Pace? Can you help me? Let's see if we can find him on this chart. Here he is. Illinois.
Why do firemen work there again?
Firemen are all over everywhere. Alrighty, do you like your new 2 additions?
Yeah, basically, do you know it's the same of them?
Why? How?
Because they have the same skin, of course, same hair, but their hats are different.
Yeah, they wear 2 different types of hats. Alrighty, friends.
Thank you everyone for watching my video. Bye bye. Do like and subscribe.